had a consultation with a woman today who has been terrorized by her ex-husband. This ex-husband has done a lot of the typical behavior, so none of this, many of you may have experienced this, but this ex-husband has filed repeated motions in court, made repeated claims to DCS that this mom is abusive. All of them have been unfounded. He does a lot of psychological games where he won't let the kids do something that the kids want to do unless mom complies with his requests. Like, for instance, he said, sure, daughter can go on a trip, and then the night before says to mom, daughter can't go unless you do blah, 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 blah. And then tells the kids, mom won't let you go. Mom says you can't go. So a lot of psychological torture of the children and the mom. Incessant communication. He's representing himself. He sends innumerable emails to her lawyer. She is not representing herself. And he's told her, I will do this to run up your bill. So this behavior is really, really toxic. Really toxic, especially for a mom or a parent who's trying to shield their children from conflict. And she's in a position where she's got to decide what's best for my kids here. You know, this conflict is so bad. She's thinking about moving out of state. And regardless of whether or not her children can be with her during the school year or be with her only during summers and breaks, she's really considering doing that and really considering whether or not that type of a move would be in her children's best interest, because the conflict is so bad. And when you have an equal parenting time schedule and there's so much coordination all the time, if there's no other way to reduce conflict, sometimes the very best option is creating physical distance, even if it means losing out on some parenting time with your children. It's just a heartbreaking reality. And it will totally be up to her, whatever she decides, whatever direction she goes in. But this mom's story isn't all that unique. Dad's experienced this, mom's experienced this. There can be an absolute obsession with someone's ex, and this type of behavior can absolutely terrorize children and co-parents post-divorce.